Welcome to yet another unboxing video on the Watch Kaki channel, and today I have yet another Seiko with me in the studio, and this watch here is kindly loaned to me by our boutique. So I need to take this time to thank our boutique and Eric for generously loaning me these watches for review. So we've got a pretty standard Seiko packaging here. This is the outer cardboard box, and let me just put this away first. And we have this one here, the retail box. I'm gonna just flip open the cover here and ta-da! Alright, so this is the Land Tortoise, alright, the Seiko Land Tortoise. If I'm not wrong, these things, they were launched earlier this year. Alright, so it's a really good looking, smaller size kind of a sports watch. And of course, the entire Land Tortoise series, they were launched earlier this year, and they fall under the Pro Specs family, as you can see from that logo, the X logo, alright, or it's actually a combination of the letters P and S, but of course most Seiko fans would just call this one the X logo. Overall, a really nice looking watch. It's got that Seiko turtle kind of a look to it, this cushion case, so it belongs to that family, the turtle family, the Willard family, where they've got this kind of shape, curves, and a really, that unique cushion shape that is synonymous with Seiko. So this one here falls under the Pro Specs Land series, and over here, instead of the tsunami logo, you get some sort of a distress signal or compass kind of a case back design. I'm just going to read more on this one and get back on how to use the functions here on the case back. So with all the packaging out of the way, I've also zoomed in the lens just a little bit. So let's take a look at the reference number. This is the SRPG15K1. There are a few other color combinations in this series. I think there's the gilt black one. That one should be 17. There's a green one. So overall, very similar to Captain Willard. They've got the blue, the green, and if I remember correctly, there's also a plated one, a gold plated one. So the initial model line, I think they all come with some sort of a strap. This one here, the blue one, comes on a canvas strap that is backed by some kind of black leather lining, and I think it suits the watch very well. This one being some sort of a explorer kind of watch with the compass bezel. So this is not a clicking bezel, it's a friction bezel, so it goes any direction you want to, and no issues with alignment because there are no clicks to fall in place, so you don't have to worry about the alignment at all. Design wise, besides the cushion case, I would say the dial design and the markers, they do have their own characteristics. They don't follow any type of like turtle or some sort of a 62 mask kind of a diver markers arrangement. This one is pretty unique, and I really love this date positioning here. So it doesn't eliminate any lume markers, and of course I really love sort of a matching date wheel here. So at first look, I would say build quality is pretty similar to entry-level Pro Specs watches. Very decent build quality. This is what you would expect. Let me just take a look at the retail price. Does it say here? If I'm not wrong, these watches, they sell for about $350 street price, Singapore dollars. So I would say this represents very good value for a watch with sapphire crystal. Okay, so I sort of like the flat crystals, although over here I'm not too sure if they have included AR coating. Let's also take some time to check the hand alignment. So let me just pop out and let's go to 12 o'clock. Alright, looks good. Let's go to 3 o'clock. Okay, so hand alignment here is really good. 6 o'clock. Alright, so very lucky here to get a new piece with really good hand alignment, and with this watch there's no worry about the bezel alignment because there are no clicks on this friction bezel. So all in all, a really good looking piece here. And the casing here is finished rather typically. You've got brush finish on the top of the lux or the case, and leaving the case sides to be polished. So very similar to the Seiko Turtle series. And here's a really quick fake wrist shot of the watch. So this one here, if I'm not wrong, it comes in at about 42mm case size. So with a relatively short lug to lug, I think it fits really well, even better than the Seiko Turtle Diver. So if you're one of those with smaller wrists like me, I think you will find the fit here very good, no issues at all. So strap quality here is also pretty decent. Feels a little bit stiff, but I think there are always better aftermarket straps to go for. I'll see if I can do a strap show later on in the full detailed review. So stay tuned. The full review is gonna come out in a few weeks. I'll see you then. This is the Watch Kaki. Bye bye.